You press the button once and it will disable the traction control. If you hold it down, it'll eventually come up and turn off stabilitrac, but active handling and some traction control will still be active. But there's only one surefire way to completely disable it. And that's to follow your wheel speed sensor plug from your hub up, and there will be a plug somewhere. In this case, it's this plug here, and you can unplug it, but you will get a light on the dash. You're gonna have traction control light on. I believe it'll set a check engine light. ABS will be on, and I think that's it. But if you got a code scanner and you're able to clear the code, then you're able to deactivate it, and it won't be able to work because it can't recognize the speed of the sensor or the wheels in comparison to know that your wheels are spinning.